This video will be a compilation of clips of our annual Pitbike race, Pitbike endurance race that we hold out in Ohio on some private woods. It's a 2-hour endurance race. Usually teams of 2, so you'll switch off between riders. You can see at the beginning there we have the RFID chip on our wrist. That's how we track each lap time. You come in and swipe your wrist like you see here, and then you can tag your partner out. My partner here didn't prep his bike well with his non-electric start or non-functioning electric start, having to kickstart his bike.
Still a rookie.
So we got to give him a hard time for that. But as you can see, it's a nice woods course, some good battling, basically running 110cc bikes or less. You'll see a smattering of some ATVs and things for those guys that don't know how to ride dirt bikes.
Turn, turn, turn!
But still want to come and have some fun. So enjoy. And there's a longer clip at the end. Feel free to fast forward through there. Pretty good battle, but wanted to keep it in there.
No, you're fine. On your left, left. Left. Or right. On your right.
It's a bicycle.
Thanks, Tony.
You're blowing it, man!
Yeah.
Cheaters!
Neutral.
Coming up here, there's one of the steeper hills out on the property. Just figured I'd try to climb it on the pit bike.